Now we go into the Google Translate Augmented Reality Smartphone project. This is project number 2. Looking in here, go and download the Google Translate. Either you can do it from the Play Store or the App Store for either Android or Apple-based devices. Google Translate provides translation in real time using the smartphone's camera and augmented reality display. A real-time augmented reality translation using offline translation data is possible without being connected to the network. The supported languages are listed here, and you can see that they are truly diverse. Looking into the application main page, there are these buttons in the middle, which we will look into the options. First, you need to select the translation language, as in terms of translate from to translate to. In addition, there's the option of detect language, which does not support real-time AR translation. It only is used to detect the language. We also have translation using a smartphone camera, using that option down there, which is a real-time augmented reality mode, and we also have a photo mode. We can also translate handwriting using this and the overall translation below. Then, using that mode over there, you can translate a conversation between 2 languages, which will be listed here. The option over there will translate a conversation between 2 languages in this space area, in which I have from Korean to English currently set. Then the option over there will translate voice. Now it's time to go into the real-time AR translation mode, which you can switch languages using the button up there. In addition, using this option right here, you can turn on the real-time AR translation mode on or off. Then using this mode right here, you can turn the flash of the smartphone camera on or off. In addition, using that button, you can translate in photo mode. You can highlight text using your finger as well. In addition, you can load an image to translate using the button over there. You can pause the real-time AR translation using this button right here. Now it's time to go into an experiment. Prepare documents, books, an image that contain the language that you want to be translated. Then try translation using the real-time AR translation mode in the Google Translate application, like you see in process right here. Then try translation while changing the environment, as in terms of brightness, distance, smartphone, camera resolution, and other options. The one experiment that I definitely want you to go through is using the darkness levels. We're making it darker and even darker in this example. The measurement of brightness is not a simple thing. The basic unit is based on lux, which is a measure of the amount of light produced by something. A representative lux unit is based on this right here, where 1 lux is based on 1 candle from a surface that you see is 1 meter by 1 meter in a distance 1 meter from the candle. Then the amount of light that is presented on this 1 meter by 1 meter area is 1 lux. Based on that unit, you can see examples of lux in which moonless clear night sky ranges from 0.002 all the way to direct sunlight, which goes all the way up to 100,000 lux. I know these levels of brightness are difficult to use, so I'll make it easier, which is measuring brightness based on our standards. This will be level 0, in which you can see almost nothing because it's too dark. Then level 2, which looks like this, a little bit brighter. We will also use the intermediate stages, which is level 1, which is right between these two. And I think that you can imagine what a level 1 would be like. Then going into level 4, which looks like this, much brighter but not totally bright. Then a level up will be level 6. Now of course it's getting brighter and brighter, but I also want you to consider the intermediate levels of level 3 as well as level 5, which are between these, although I'm just showing you the major levels here. Then going into the highest level of level 8, which is totally bright. So we have 9 levels from level 0 all the way to level 8. And using these, we will test the real-time augmented reality translation based on brightness performance, based on the levels of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make the room darker and then look at the dark level based on comparing it to the pictures I just shown you. I want you to consider the performance in different brightness levels. Consider the text size, the distance, as well as the font types, because based on font, some detections are much different. Consider the language translation types as well. Then, consider performance based on light coming from a different angle, with different brightness levels. Overall, find several options that the Google Translate application may not operate properly. In addition to what I just explained, for this project, I also want you to help your peers. Give helpful tips. Inform others of exciting discoveries that you found from using the Google Translate augmented reality application. In addition, inform your peers about other great AR applications and help others. Help them to be more fluent in augmented reality systems. Thank you. These are the references that I use, and I recommend them to you. Thank you.